beautiful cat, Thomas. He's being really scared right now. I don't know why. But this is Tommy. I'm not choking him, I promise. I just woke him up from his nap and he's kind of upset. I'm sitting here editing this video and I just realized that I literally don't have an introduction. So this is my makeup. I've had it on for like 5 hours, but if you want to keep watching on how to get this look, keep watching. Alright, so start with a primer. My favorite primer is the Pomegranate Mattifying Primer by Korres. It's, I have the moisturizer in this. This is the primer. The moisturizer smells literally like pomegranates. It smells amazing, like I'm obsessed with it. So if you have kind of oily skin, you'll love this. Fenty Beauty Foundation mixed in with a little bit of my Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Wear Foundation. So hard to get my right skin tone with this one, but I had to go in like 3 different times to get matched. But I'll have everything in the description box with what I use and like the shades and everything. And pump like that much, and like a tiny amount, that much. And I'm just gonna go ham. The one thing that I have to say about this Fenty Beauty Foundation, it smells so good. Like you can, I know this sounds weird, but like when I use the Fenty Beauty Foundation, I can smell it on my face the entire day. And I know my face, like I know it sounds crazy, but I use it and it just smells like so good. I look kind of weird with my hair like this. I look crazy. I'm just crazy, if you didn't know me. If you're watching this and you don't know me, hey, what's up? And if you're watching this and you do know me, what's up? I'm like the queen of like just throwing a bunch of shit together and hoping it works. Like that's usually what I do. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera because they just take forever and it's annoying and it's kind of boring, so BRB. So I just did my brows and then I like outlined my brows, just the underneath with this Colourpop concealer in the shade Light 20. So yeah, I just lined my brows just to like highlight them, and then I primed my eyes with the same concealer. So I think that I'm gonna do like kind of like my everyday. I'm gonna do my everyday makeup routine. The HD Pro eyeshadows. Look at this. Bye. So I'm gonna go with this shade right here. It's called Thanks a Latte. It's just like this very light shade just to set the concealer that I put in my eyes. And with Bestie, that shade right there, and just put it in my crease. You can hear the birds outside. I'm currently like half inside, half outside right now of my house. I'm upstairs in my mom's room because the lighting is so good. So I'm gonna go into my Color Morello Pretty Fun and Fearless palette, and I'm gonna go into, I think, this like orangey or this shade. So I'm gonna take a Morphe M441. I'm gonna go in with On Fire, and I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner of my eye. I'm not gonna really bring it in that much, just to deepen it up a little bit. I use circle motion, so I go back and forth this way and then go back and forth that way, and then I bring it up a little bit just to blend it. When in doubt, blend it out, baby girl. Blend it out, yeah. Love this one. I just don't know where I got it from, so I apologize, but just use a brush that has this little domed effect, and the bristles are pretty hard. They don't really move that much. This purple shade is by Colourpop. It's in the color Get Out. And they're so pigmented, you really don't need much at all with these shades. Like they're so pigmented, it's crazy. Colourpop. This is the Golden State of Mind palette. Wait for it, drum roll please. Oh my god, look at these shades in here. I am amazed. I'm gonna go in with Uptight, which is this gold shade. I use it every day. I always apply this with my finger. So I just pat it on. Honestly, any shimmer shade is better when you use your finger. Like, it's just so easy to work with. If you love shimmery colors, get this palette. I am in love with it. It's beautiful. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this top shade up here. It's called Golden Egg, this one. Just a little bit. Like, see the smallest bit and just pop it right there. Next is gonna be my eyeliner. So, I always use brown eyeliner. Like, I never really use black because it just, I don't, it's not that it look bad in black eyeliner, I just prefer brown because it's more natural and like, it's just easier to work with. What I've been doing and what I've been loving for the past couple of months is I'll take a brush like this. It's like a flat, rounded brush, and I use eyeshadow to create an eyeliner. Excuse my ugly face, because it's gonna be an ugly face right now. So I just take a little bit. I'm using the Chloe Morello, just this brown shade right there. And I'm just gonna take my eye like this, pinch it a little bit, and just go in on my line. See, look. It's just like a very natural smoky brown look. That's what I love. I do a little wing with the brown, so I usually just line it all the way to here, and then I wait to do my wing. So I'll do both of my eyes, and then I'll do my wing. So I just go like this. And just make the wing. Same thing. I'm gonna use Daydream, the purpley shade. I'm gonna use a tiny, tiny bit of it. Just right here. The base of my lashes. Then usually what I do now is I will take this brown shade. I'll take a tiny bit of that brown shade and then like dab it on the back of my hand and then go in the very, very outside of my eye, my under eye, or not my waterline, but the underneath of my eye, and kind of connect that eyeliner that you made with the underneath of your eye. It really opens up your eyes. My Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is really bomb. In the shade Custard, or Medium 1 Custard. Use my finger. Just put it under my eyes. And this concealer doesn't crease, like ever. Very rarely does it crease. Now I'm gonna take this brush by Morphe, the Y6. It's like a flat kabuki brush. I use it for, oh, there's a hay, that's hot. I use it for foundation, but I just use it to blend in my concealer. I don't use my beauty blender because it'll suck up all the product and it's annoying. Stay Matte setting powder, and it's like, it's not like foundation powder, but it's just kind of like translucent powder, and it's in the shade Sandstorm 4. I just put that everywhere just to set my face, you know the drill. Just set your face, girl. So right now I'm using the e.l.f. It's the under eye setting powder, and I just take this brush and put it under my eye, like so. Sorry for my face. I'm trying not to make it. Bronzer is amazing. Wait, I don't even know what shade this is. I will let you know the shade of this bronzer in the description box down below, because it doesn't, like, it's in the compact and it doesn't say. I think it's like, I don't even know. I think it's like California Dreamin' or something. I'm not entirely positive. Just take this. This is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Like, look, that was like 3 swipes. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Forehead. Just really warm the face up with this. And then I go down my neck too. Just to blend my foundation with my neck, because my neck is super, super white. I go under here. I cannot talk today. What is wrong with me? My contour, bronzing, and highlighting palette. So contour, bronze, highlight. I've used the shit out of the highlight one. The bronze, the highlight. Oh my god. I can't talk. Okay. Contour shade is really pigmented, so you really you need like 2 dabs and you're good. And I just take it right there. The Milani Romantic Rose. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. I dropped it the other day and kind of like broke it because I'm dumb. But I'm going to be using the Morphe Y5 brush. Look how pink it is. This is like my blush brush, but it's just like pink. You just rub that in there. Go to ham, like I normally do. Use the Wet n Wild. This is just a huge like brush. And just rub all of that in, you know? Just rub it in. The Colourpop, shocker. Colourpop in Arivor. The Luster Dust. This is a Y14 Morphe brush. The gilded, like the gold collection. Are you ready? Oh my god. Let's go. You just blend it out all in my hair. It's hot. Okay. Other side. People watching this, if people even watch this, who knows, they're gonna be like, this bitch is kind of crazy. Like, what? Cupid's bow. A little bit down the nose. I'm using the Tarte eyelash curler. These are my makeup brushes. Oh, that's not even like all of it. And then there's this too. I'll link where I got these makeup holders. They're like $25. Right now I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom mascara. I'm like one of those girls that I hate putting false lashes on. Like, I'm really good at putting false lashes on other people, but when it comes to myself, like, I just can't. I really can't do it. It just doesn't work well. Vanilla Cream Pie by NYX. I usually use number 5, but it's in my car and I really don't want to go get it. So number 6 will do. Hey, I'm just being honest, you know, like, just being honest. 10,000 years later. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this interesting first YouTube video of mine. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will be posting another one soon.